Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. Welcome back to Sister. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, welcome to our humble abode. A lot of you slid into my DMs on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. For those of you that keep asking, yes, I do have an account. I was kind of sort of shocked. And then I wasn't. Do you guys remember Joe Biden? I used to watch Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. As a matter of fact, I watched all the Love and Hip Hops. I was addicted. And I remember Joe Biden being on it. And it's funny because when I remember him, he has that very calm persona. Does a lot of crazy stuff, but very calm persona. That's the kind of vibe I got from him. So to see the headline saying, Joe Biden admits that he has faked putting on a condom during sex on a recent episode of his podcast, is just disappointing.
What? I have no idea knowing.
Joe, you do though.
And even I done walked in the corner and faked like I was putting a condom on before. That should be working.
What? What?
They're none the wiser. What do you mean what? Yes, I did that.
You faked the put on?
1,000%. That was my poor.
You did that too? I'm asking.
That was my poor execution of my plan after I mastered it, which was to just bust through the lambskin. Let me go find.
I don't know if I ever used a lambskin.
Let me go find the thinnest condom in the world.
You mastered doing
bust.
that?
Huh?
And bust through it?
Yeah.
You planned to bust through it?
Yeah, I'm not having it. Wait, hello?
Yo, what? Oh, man, this guy. Yo, you're a sicko, for real, yo.
No, I used to be.
Oh,
okay.
Please don't.
One time for growth.
Please don't misrepresent me.
It's disappointing that you behave in that manner in the past, because he made it a point to rectify that, to say that he did it like 1,000 times. They don't know any better. And they were laughing about it with whoever he was talking with. To put these girls in danger like that, expose them to whatever, diseases and STDs or whatever, not giving them the right to choose to want to have a baby or not, getting them pregnant when they don't want to, is bad. And it's sad. And guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this is mama talking. You are adults. I want you to have fun. I want you to enjoy your lovemaking with your man. If you're not prepared for a baby, use the condom, put it on him, and insert yourself. Because it just goes to show you can't trust anybody these days. If you want a job done well, do it yourself. That's all I can say on this matter. It's sad because to put it on a podcast and say, well, that was then, you're still putting that narrative out there for silly guys to think, I could do this. Why not? Because you want to have the maximum sensation momentarily. But the aftermath is no joke, especially now that we have... You have to say about the disease too. Yes, the disease, yes. Especially now that we have Wade versus Roe. So it's bad enough you can't even get a termination because you're not ready. And I get that. These guys are exposing you to that. These are tough times being a woman. That's why I have sister to sister. I have to call it out for what it is. And then diseases. So he's sleeping selfishly out there with whoever, more than 1, 2, 3, 4. And he's spreading these diseases and exposing you to these diseases. Girls, you have to be smarter. You have to be smarter than these guys because they're really showing that they do not care. For Joe to have put that out there was out of order. It is something you should be ashamed of. He's not ashamed of it. They don't know any better. Do you see how they refer to us? They don't know any better. Like dumb, stupid, knees to the ceiling, spread eagle, yeah, papi. You got to be smarter, my darling daughters. You've got to protect yourself. Your body is your temple. It's your choice, and it has to always be your choice. If you want to have a baby, it is your choice. This guy, and he's throwing it out there, like I said, is exposing you to where you don't have a choice. You don't know. 3-4 months later, and you haven't had your cycle, and you're like, what the hell is going on? And you thought that you used protection. You thought that you were protected. You thought this guy loves you. You thought this guy thinks about you first. You thought that this guy is in a serious exclusive relationship with you, until you found out 3-4 months later that you're expecting a baby and the baby daddy is not going to be present in this child's life, a child that you did not want. It's very serious. It's not a joke. I don't take it lightly at all. I can just imagine this could have happened to me too, because I would have trusted the person I'm sleeping with to have respected my wishes, and we decided to have protective intercourse, and he pushed aside my wishes for his selfish needs. Guys, it's no joke. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and let me know what you think about this. Do we live, darlings? Do we love? Darling, when I tell you this shirt is giving me Elvis vibes. It is. I got it from Zara, and it's got all of this Diamante applique. I'm living for it. And guess what? This got it in the back too. Are we living, my darlings? Are we loving? I'll see you next episode. All of my love. Mwah. Peace. Like I said, roll it up. Insert. You want a job well done? Do it yourself.